Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you anti-aging skin rejuvenate and get young skin naturally and get rid of wrinkles and remove wrinkles naturally. Guys, you will notice a great results once you use this amazing magical serum. So guys, the first thing we will need in a clean mixing bowl like so, we will need 1 teaspoon of black tea. If you're using sachets, you can use 2 sachets for this remedy. So I'm using 1 full teaspoon of black tea. And then my friends will need to add very hot boiling water on the tea. Like so, my friends. And once the tea soaks completely, as you can tell, it soaks completely, we need to place it into a pan and add on it 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour. This magical oil, guys, will make your skin really young naturally, and it's really better than expensive products and doesn't have any side effects, unlike the chemicals products that we're getting. So it's a very natural, it's homemade, and very effective. So guys, we need to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch onto the pan, and we need to place it on the stove for 5 minutes, or keep stirring until it turns to like a cream paste, like as you can tell. Now my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And then my friends, will need to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and mix the ingredients until they combine very well together. You will find yourself end up with a serum has kind of oily serum texture. So mix the ingredients very well. Once you use, actually from first use, guys, you will notice a great results in the wrinkles, and you will see that your skin is getting naturally kind of collagen, and young naturally. So guys, once we mix the ingredients, it will be oily serum like so, and apply a generous amount on your skin. Tea is full of antioxidants and natural caffeine that it actually enhance the blood circulation in your skin, and in order to get more collagen. So with the whole ingredients, you will notice once you apply it a great results, guys. Your skin will be completely, you will see that your skin is actually getting young from first use. So apply it and leave it overnight, guys. This is very important, to apply it and leave it overnight. You can use it on hands, on face, on neck, on any place that has wrinkles and you want to look young and get rid of the wrinkles and get more collagen production to your skin. So apply it, guys, and leave it overnight. You can store the rest of the remedy in the fridge for up to 3 days, and you will see a great results, guys, by using that remedy. On 30 days in a row, you will look way younger than you are. Everyone will notice and everyone will ask you what's your secret.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.